If you're watching this video, it's because you're curious about open D tuning, and that's the topic for today, open D tuning. I'm going to show you what's going on, what you can do with it, some of the most fun, creative options that open up to you once you're in this open D tuning. Hey, you're going to see a shorter version if you're watching this on YouTube. For the complete version of this video, become a member of my website down there, Songbike, where you can access the rest of this video and lots of other great videos not available on YouTube. All right, so let's get down to it. Open D tuning. In this first clip, let's talk about retuning your guitar for open D tuning. Let's talk about the 3 most useful chords you'll need in this tuning. And I'm also going to show you what a famous songwriter did in this new world we're in. So first of all, you don't have to retune every string, but the 6th is going to get loosened down to D. The 5th and 4th stay the same. 5th string A, 4th string D. 3rd string gets loosened from G down to F sharp. There's F sharp right there. 2nd string loosened to A. And 1st string loosened to D. So essentially, you're letting the guitar relax a little bit, right? You're reducing tension. By the way, that's why I'm teaching this lesson in open D tuning rather than open E tuning, which is extremely similar, except essentially you're tightening everything, and I'd rather have us chill out a little bit and loosen the strings. So again, D, A, D, F sharp, A, D. By the way, when you're loosening, bring the note down just below pitch, so your final movement should be a tightening movement. Does that make sense? So bring your fat 6th string D down just below the right note, and then make your final motion to tighten it up. It helps the gears do their job better. Okay, so you should have a beautiful open D tuning producing a D major chord. The D major chord, it's a triad that's made up of D, F sharp, and A, and that's what we got here in spades, right? D, F sharp, and A. So look, Ma, no hands, right? Open D. Now, when we're in the world of open D tuning, there's 2 other chords that are relatively easy that are very important. The G chord, now watch out, it's a different grip than you've ever done for a G chord before. Index finger, 3rd skinny string, the F sharp string, at the 1st fret. So index finger, 3rd string, 1st fret. Ring finger, 2nd string, 2nd fret. Middle finger, 5th string, 2nd fret. You get to strum everything. And there's our G chord. Strum all 6 strings, okay? A 3-finger G chord, no big deal. Now, don't move, keep your hand right in that position, because the 3rd chord in this group here is going to be an A7 chord, because it sounds so great with D and G. So A7, my index finger is going to stay right where it is. Do not lift your index finger up in the air. Middle and ring are each going to drop down 1 string towards the floor. Okay, see what I did there? My middle finger is now on the 4th string, 2nd fret, ring finger, 1st string, 2nd fret. An A7 chord, and I'm excluding the 6th string, so the other 5. So watch this little movement, a G major to A7. See how small that movement is, right? Very easy. And don't forget, we get D for free. So I'm going to strum D, and then I'm going to go to G. Here comes my G. And here comes my A7. And I'm going to end up back on D again. Now, as you know, a lot of songs are made up of 3 chords. D, G, and A7 are a great combination. You can play a million songs with D, G, and A7, and then if you wanted, you could use a capo to bring the song up to a different key and match the singer's voice or your voice if that's necessary. But bottom line is D, G, and A7. There you go. Now, I mentioned famous songwriter. I'm thinking of Joni Mitchell. Joni Mitchell definitely recorded some famous songs in open D tuning, such as Both Sides Now and Chelsea Morning. And here's a trick that Joni Mitchell did. She's in open D tuning like you and I are. She grabbed what feels like an E major chord, right? If we were in standard tuning, this would be an E major chord. But when you strum it in this tuning, ooh, different, right? So you kind of get this new chord for free. You don't have to learn anything new. It's what used to be an E major chord, but ooh, that's a chord she uses right there. Maybe omit the 6th string and just focus on the other 5. Now you can take that E major grip and move it up 2 frets. Ooh, pretty, right? that. So now we're in Joni Mitchell land, you know. Some beautiful chords thanks to the open tuning and, you know, a basic chord grip that you probably learned a long time ago, the E major chord grip. Of course, the name of this thing is not E major anymore. It's actually more like E minor, but I digress. Bottom line is, you can take stuff you already know, chord formations, and see how they fit with this D tuning. You might come up with some beautiful, beautiful stuff. Okay? All right, let's move on. Both blues guitar players and country guitar players have found a lot of fun, creative ways to express themselves in open D tuning. Let's take the blues first. I'm going to show you a 1-octave D blues scale. Check it out. Got to do it backwards as well. So, open 4th string, 4th string, 3rd fret, 3rd string, 1st fret, 2nd fret. Make sure you're using the same fingers that I'm using. Open 2nd string, 2nd string, 3rd fret, and the open 1st string, and back down. Okay, great blues scale. You can have a lot of fun with even just a 1-octave blues scale. And now country, okay, the major pentatonic scale, starting on the 6th string. Notice we're not using the 3rd skinny string at all. The string we retuned to F sharp. For this scale right here, just happens with skipping over the 3rd string. So 6th string, 0, 2nd fret, 4th fret, 5th string open, 5th string, 2nd fret, open 4th string, 4th string, 2nd fret, 4th string, 4th fret, skip over the 3rd string altogether, 2nd string open, 2nd string, 1st fret, 2nd string, 2nd fret, and finally 1st string open. Now, you can have fun improvising with this scale, especially if every once in a while you take a break from the scale and you strum the open D chord. See what I'm doing here? You know, all of a sudden you got a song. It sounds like something. So you can see I'm doing a few notes from the scale. I'm just improvising a little bit and then giving a strum on the open D chord waiting for me here. It's a great sound. All right, YouTube viewers, there's a lot more that I want to show you, okay? So please become a member of my website, Songbike, where you can see the rest of this video and so much other great, great stuff. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you over at Songbike.